Ask anyone who's had children and they'll tell you childcare is not easy. Now, a new documentary called Make a Circle is focusing on the issue and the industry.
Filmmakers say it follows some day-to-day lives of childcare workers across the country. 21 Alive reporter Lyric Powell is here with the story.
Heather, Linda, we wanted to know if daycare facilities in 21 countries are experiencing the same kinds of challenges shown in the film. We learned that one of the biggest problems is funding.
We would see a lot of really talented teachers leave, but we didn't know that they were probably struggling to just afford groceries and rent, and maybe even struggling to afford childcare for their own kids.
What was once a moment of recognition during the COVID-19 pandemic is now what filmmaker Jan Bradwell describes as a fight for survival in early childcare.
There's so much amazing advocacy around early education. And I think often when, those advocates go to meet with their policymakers, there's a struggle to be taken seriously because of that babysitter narrative, because of how their work is viewed.
Bradwell says in her documentary, Make a Circle, she follows the day-to-day work of childcare providers across the globe. She says the childcare system is barely getting by. Danny Sovner says her preschool is licensed to care for 100 children, but she says only 50 students are enrolled.
We feel like the forgotten part of the economy, right? We know through COVID funding and the research that was done there how important early childhood programs and quality programs are to our communities and our economy.
The documentary shows these same struggles of what it takes to run a child care program today. Both Sovner and Bradwell say the passion for the tough work is what keeps them going.
We're trying and we're here and we're still showing up every day and we're still making $13 to $15 an hour, and we're doing it because we want to care well for you and your children.